జేఎల్కి నువ్వు సెలెక్ట్ అవుతావు, మేబీ వస్తుందా రాదా నాకు తెలీదు, 1:2లో ఉంటావు, వస్తుందో రాదో నాకు తెలీదు. బీసీ అంటే అప్పటికి అంటే సార్ హారిజాంటల్ అప్పుడు మనకి వర్టికల్ కదా, అలా ఉంటే నువ్వు వచ్చేస్తావు, నీ కేటగిరీలో లాస్ట్ ఉమెన్ నువ్వే అయ్యి ఉంటావు, బట్ 2 పోస్టులు వస్తాయి, మన స్కూల్ స్టూడెంట్ నా దగ్గరికి వస్తావు అని అన్నాడు. మేబీ అలాగే వచ్చేది అన్నాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you, Sridevi. Yes, Pavan. Now I invite Pavan, who is selected as a TGT. Hearty congratulations, Pavan, for being selected as a TGT.
Thank you, sir. Respected Venkata sir and my dear friends, good afternoon everybody. I would like to congratulate everybody here for being successful, gathered here, sharing our happiness together. I am very, very happy. First of all, I would like to tell you one thing. When I get this motivation, that thought that I also want to become a government employee, my life was very comfortable working for a private institution. It's a good institution only. I used to get a good salary only. I got an opportunity to work with the native speakers also. After that, this corona incident happened. So, for these 2 years, I used to stay at home only. I stayed at home only. We didn't have, the salary and everything, So, we struggled a lot financially. And at that time, I decided, yes, I want to get a job, that too government job. Then I started inquiring. So, I want to become a teacher. What is the next notification? So, people told me that, my friends told me that, okay, Gurukula notification would be the first notification. Chances are there, Gurukula notification would come soon. Then I started inquiring. So, who is the best faculty giving coaching for Gurukula? Then, my roommate, he used to stay my roommate for 3 years. So, when I was doing a private job there, so he used to encourage me in 2017-18 only. Pavan, prepare well, apply for Gurukula. And 2017 also he asked me to apply, 2018 also he asked me to apply. But I didn't apply for 2017 and 18. He was my roommate. In front of my own eyes only, he was preparing for government job, Gurukula. So he was taking under your only, sir. So I didn't pay any attention towards his words. His name is Edward Satyanarayan, sir, 2017 BTech English. He was my roommate then. So we stayed there for 3 years. So after that corona happened and I realized at that time I mistake for not preparing for 2017 and 18 Gurukula, not applying for that. And my friend told me, so go to Venkata sir, you join there and you will definitely get the job. And he motivated me. I came here, I used to sit here only. I used to sit in the first row. I used to sit here and with sir's permission I used to record his audios so that I would listen to that audios again so that I remember the topics and everything. So I would like to tell you one thing, friends. From day 1 till day, last week, end of the day. So I didn't miss even a single class, sir. From day 1 to last day, I didn't even miss a single class. Every day I used to come here, I used to sit here, I used to record the videos. And after that, what happened, maybe our question was over and our notification came. And after seeing the notification, I baffled actually. Frankly speaking, no jobs, no vacancies for my own. I lost